ear mushroom, auricularia, and chicken is to be fried together here. So you give onion, garlic, not much of masala, and yellow powder, salt. Next is now we have to give some chili. Chili is added. So that one is chili. Are chilies. Okay. First we fry the chicken. It should be simple so that we can feel the smells of mushroom. First we fry the chicken. So sometimes we fry the mushroom as well. Pungent smells. Oh no! These two guys are waiting for the mushroom. Meow meow. Okay, now it's time to give the mushroom. Auricularia ear mushroom. It's a fried one. Fried. It smells delicious. I will give a bit of water. Ooh la la. Now it's time to fry them without covering. Oh, it looks delicious. That's it. It's cooked.